Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. How does Amazon EFS automatically scale? You must manually provision additional storage. Scaling requires manual intervention from AWS support. It automatically grows and shrinks as you add and remove files. You need to restart instances to scale. Amazon EFS automatically scales based on the file system usage. What is the purpose of Amazon EFS lifecycle management? To manage access permissions. To automatically transition files between storage classes. To back up data to Amazon S3. To replicate data to another region. Amazon EFS lifecycle management automatically transitions files between storage classes to reduce costs based on access patterns. What happens if you try to write to an Amazon EFS file system when you've reached the soft limit? The file system is automatically expanded. The file system becomes read-only. New writes are delayed until data is deleted or the quota is increased. The oldest files are automatically deleted. When you reach the soft limit on an Amazon EFS file system, new write operations are delayed until either you delete some data or request a quota increase. What AWS service would you use to automatically back up your Amazon EFS file systems? AWS Backup. AWS Storage Gateway. Amazon Glacier. Amazon S3. AWS Backup is a fully managed backup service that makes it easy to centralize and automate the backup of data across AWS services, including Amazon EFS. Which of the following best describes the payment model for Amazon EFS? Pay a fixed monthly fee based on provision capacity. Pay per IOPS. Pay per number of files stored. Pay only for the storage you use with no minimum fee. With Amazon EFS, you pay only for the storage used by your file system and there is no minimum fee or setup cost. What is the primary difference between general purpose and max I/O performance modes in Amazon EFS? General purpose mode allows more concurrent clients than max I/O. Max I/O mode is cheaper than general purpose mode. Max I/O mode is designed for highly parallelized workloads. General purpose mode offers higher throughput than max I/O. The primary difference is that max I/O performance mode is designed for highly parallelized workloads that can drive higher levels of aggregate throughput and operations per second compared to general purpose mode. Which of the following accurately describes the billing for an Amazon EFS file system? Billed per file stored, regardless of size. Billed a flat rate based on the maximum capacity. Billed based on the number of mount targets. Billed for the amount of data stored, in GB month. Amazon EFS billing is based on the amount of data you store in your file systems in GB month, with no charges for provisioning storage in advance. What is the purpose of the creation token parameter when creating an Amazon EFS file system? Sets the performance mode of the file system. Defines the encryption key for the file system. Specifies the initial size of the file system. Ensures idempotent creation of file systems. The creation token parameter ensures idempotent creation of file systems by preventing the same file system from being created twice if multiple create requests are made with the same creation token. What does Amazon EFS provide to ensure data security during transit? IP whitelisting. Data compression. Encryption in transit using TLS. Firewall rules. Amazon EFS ensures data security during transit by encrypting data using TLS. What is the primary method to mount an Amazon EFS file system to an EC2 instance? Using the mount command with the NFS client. Using a custom script. Using AWS Management Console. Uploading files directly via SFTP. You mount an Amazon EFS file system to an EC2 instance using the mount command with the NFS client. What is a major benefit of using Amazon EFS for containerized applications? It provides persistent, shared storage for containers. It provides object-level storage. It offers built-in load balancing. It automatically scales compute resources. Amazon EFS offers persistent, shared storage which is essential for stateful containerized applications. Which performance mode is recommended for workloads requiring low latency access to metadata? General Purpose Performance Mode. Provision Throughput Mode. Bursting Throughput Mode. Max I/O Performance Mode. General Purpose Performance Mode is recommended for low latency access to metadata, suitable for most file systems. What is a key use case for Amazon EFS in a microservices architecture? Hosting container images. Providing shared storage for stateful services. Managing API gateways. Deploying serverless functions. Amazon EFS provides shared storage that is accessible by multiple microservices, which is critical for stateful services. What type of data consistency does Amazon EFS provide? Strong consistency. Write-through consistency. Read-after-write consistency. Eventual consistency. Amazon EFS provides read-after-write consistency, ensuring that changes are immediately visible to subsequent read operations. Which encryption option does Amazon EFS support for data at rest? RC4 encryption. Blowfish encryption. Triple DES encryption. AES 256 encryption. Amazon EFS supports AES 256 encryption to help secure your data at rest, using AWS Key Management Service to manage the encryption keys. What feature of Amazon EFS provides access to file systems from on-premises environments? AWS Direct Connect. AWS Snowball. AWS Storage Gateway. Amazon VPC. AWS Direct Connect provides a high-speed connection from on-premises environments to AWS resources including Amazon EFS. Which of the following statements is true about throughput modes in Amazon EFS? Throughput is fixed and cannot be changed. Bursting throughput and provision throughput are available. Only provision throughput is supported. Throughput is determined by the file system size. Amazon EFS offers two throughput modes, bursting throughput, which scales with your file system size, and provision throughput, where you specify the throughput independent of the storage size. Which of the following describes how Amazon EFS charges for data transfer? Data transfer in is free, data transfer out is charged. Data transfer is included in the storage cost. Both data transfer in and out are charged. Data transfer is only charged for cross-region access. For Amazon EFS, data transfer in is free. Data transfer out is charged based on the amount of data transferred out of the file system, with rates varying by destination. What is the benefit of using Amazon EFS for big data and analytics? It provides built-in data visualization. It is the cheapest storage option. It provides high throughput and IOPS for large datasets. It automatically generates reports. Amazon EFS offers high throughput and IOPS, which are crucial for handling large datasets in big data and analytics. Which EFS storage class should be used for data that is rarely accessed? Infrequent access. Standard. Glacier. Archive. The infrequent access storage class is designed for data that is rarely accessed, providing cost savings. How is data encrypted in Amazon EFS? Both at rest and in transit. Only at rest. Data is not encrypted by default. Only in transit. Amazon EFS supports encryption of data both at rest and in transit for enhanced security. What is the purpose of mount targets in Amazon EFS? Enable cross-region file system access. Allow EC2 instances to connect to the file system. Provide a web-based interface for file management. Create periodic backups of the file system. Mount targets in Amazon EFS allow EC2 instances and on-premises servers to connect to the EFS file system using the NFS-v4 protocol. Can Amazon EFS be used with AWS Lambda? No, Lambda does not support EFS. Yes, for stateful serverless applications. Only for read-only access. Only with specific Lambda runtimes. Amazon EFS can be used with AWS Lambda, providing stateful storage for serverless applications. Which of the following statements is true about the Amazon EFS file system ID? It can be chosen by the user during creation. It is unique within an AWS region. It is globally unique across all AWS accounts. It changes every time the file system is mounted. The Amazon EFS file system ID is unique within an AWS region and is automatically assigned when you create a new file system. What type of storage does Amazon EFS provide? Tape storage, block storage, file storage, object storage. Amazon EFS is designed to provide file storage in the cloud. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.